Hi and welcome to an Ocean AI Forex update for the week starting the 20th of March 2022. So firstly with the euro here, I've been tracking this move down and made this nice spike low here. So looking for a move higher. But we could also have one more little move lower. There's a couple of ways of looking at it here. We go, so one more move lower would take us, this A, B, C, D, back down to 104. Then we look for a run higher. But if we hold this low here, we could be going a bit higher, but that would give us, go to a 4 hour. So we've got to watch here is this, no, get rid of that. This A, B, C, D here. So once we get to up to 112, need to watch to see what it does there. Because we've taken out this high here. So I think we should get one more little move up here. It could give us, yeah, this area here. It would be double pattern into that area. A, B, C, D here. So with an A, B, C, D up into there. So that area there. So this is the area we need to watch for the upside. That would also be around the 618. I think, yeah. So yeah, 61% retracement from this high. We've got double A, B, C, D, so a lot of resistance here. And we could see possibly one more move lower and then the rally. Or we're going to see it go down to that 104 and then bounce from there. But as it stands, not a lot to do here. Just got to wait to see what we do, whether we come lower. Take those out. Yeah, whether we go lower or whether we go higher into here. This would be a good place to short, I think. So we need to watch what it does Monday, Tuesday. There's obviously, if you go into a smaller time frame, to like a 15-minute on this one. Yeah, see, this is pulled back nicely into that 50 to 60% area. And now we're looking at on this one, yeah, it could go either way. You got this A, B, C, D here. And then you got a little one coming back here into the 38% area. So yeah, it could go either way from here. Could have a move back down into this 50% area. Something down into here, then a rally. Up into that 112 area we're looking at. Or we could head lower, so best to wait and see. Sort of undecided here at the moment. Wait to see what happens on Monday, and then we can make a call from there. If we go to the pound, start with a 4 hour. Yeah, still looking for one more move lower here with the pound as well. Yeah, so what we want to watch is this 382 up around the 132.50 area. If we can get one more move up there, we'll be able to find a spot to get short and get this last move down. We also have the bigger pattern that would take us down to 127, 126 area. This ABCD here, so plenty to watch with the pound there. Yeah, not much else to look at. see how we go on the open Monday, Tuesday, see what we can find. The Aussie's been good to us over the last week or two. We chased. We had the top up here. Go into the 1 hour, see it better. Then we sold the first pullback of this one. We got that down there, and then we sold this ABCD down into this level here. This has been a nice move here. So now we're looking for I got buddy stopped out on this spike down here. Had a good lead, moving stop up, and got spiked out, which was a bit annoying. Yeah, so that's a nice move up. So we're looking for that. I posted it before. We've moved up into 75 because we've taken out this high here. So we should get up to 75 at least, maybe higher. What we could have is pull back first before we go higher. So this could come back down to say 73.20 area, and then we could get that move higher. So if you're long, stay long. Otherwise, I want to wait for a pullback and then buy that for that next leg higher. Either way, we'll look for some sort of a setup in here to go either short-term short, or go for the longer upside move. Potentially go even further higher. But that's it. Looking at the Aussie for now, where we're at. What else we got? We got the Canadian here. Lucked out on the Canadian last week. So I was looking for this Gartley here, was set up real nice. Had a lot of things going for it, time, price, and everything. But yeah, it just didn't work, and we're going lower. So now we can look for potential here for a bigger move lower. So we could get this ABCD down into the 124 area. That would be nice. So what we're going to look for would be, see this move here. We've got the 1.618 extension of this move here. And that's also the 78% retracement area from this move here. So what we want to see would be a move lower into here, then a pullback, and then chase that last move lower there. May not go that low, but that would be the ABCD target. So what we want to watch for would be the support level around 125.50, and we'll probably get a long off that. And then depending on how it moves from this area, if we get that move down, we get a nice ABCD. That would set us up for that move down. That would be somewhere around 38 to 50% area, which would be here. We can get that pattern, that ABCD pattern, into this area here. That would set up nice for further downside. But for it to be bullish, if we take out this this low here, so say it rallies and we go higher, then that would invalidate that further move down. We need to look for some sort of long or a different play. But yeah, so for now, I want to look for that move lower. Might even be able to get, if we go into a 15-minute. Yeah, if you want to go into a short time frame, I'll see how the AI goes for Monday. We might get a move. This move here might come up into the 50-60 here, and then head lower. So watching this area, that 126.20, 126.30 area. That could be a spot to go short if you're on the short term. We'll have a look at the AI, post some charts, see if we can get some nice turning points on Monday, and look for that one. The other one I wanted to look at was the... just get rid of that. That one. The AUD Yen here is quite looking good for just get rid of everything and start again fresh. So another one I was looking for on Friday was this here was setting up. See how nice for a nice 3 drive here. So 3 drive into a top. But what we did have is we had these big bars coming up into the level. So I didn't bother trying to short that. I just want to look at where it's going to go from here. So if we look at extension levels from here, it'll take us up. Just do those 1.27, which is where we are now from this one. We're at the 1.27. The 1.618 is up around the 91 area. I think that could be the level we're heading to. We do the same thing off this high and that low there. Got double 1.618s up around that 91 area. So I think we could be heading in there. That would set us up a real nice shorting opportunity. That might be probably not this week, maybe next week. Looking into the week after, maybe. We look at just this last leg. We look at that 1.618 extension here. That could be a good place. They wanted to get it to here, then have that little pullback back to probably 87, something like that, and then looking for that last move higher. And that would give us, that would still be a 3 drive. It would just be an extension in that last leg up into there. And also we look at, with these 3 drive patterns, we look for time and price as well. So if we look at the taking from this high to this high, that gives us that. If we move that over to here, that would give us time and price high would be on the 5th of April. So if we move all this over here a bit, squeeze it up, something like that, we could be looking for that high around the 5th of April. Yeah, if we can get this pullback from wherever this high is, if we get up into 89.30 pullback, and then we could buy that last leg higher if we get a nice pattern. But then there, definitely once we get up into this area, we want to be looking for a short. So same thing there, once we get that pullback, what you want to look for is that 1.618 extension here, and that's where we want to look. So that's the Aussie Yen. Yeah, I just want to do a bit more of a detailed look at that because it's setting up nicely. Obviously, don't want to sell it yet. Obviously, wait to see it play out, wait for it to come back, and then maybe buy that last leg. Yeah, just whatever we get in the way of patterns. Yeah, that's that. I think, yeah, that'll do for now for the Forex market. Yeah, as we go Monday, Tuesday, I'll send out a few updates, send out the AIs, and looking for some places to get into some longer term trades, and also the intraday stuff as well. So yeah, I'll leave you with that, and yeah, I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.